Rookie signing so far dito sa PBA 50th season at ito na nga no, dalawa sa mga malalaking pangalan sa 50th season PBA draft ay nakapirma na sa kanilang kupunan no. Unang-una sa lahat si Juan Gomez de Leaño, the number 2 pick sa 50th season PBA draft, nakapirma na ng 3-year contract sa Converge, and sources said na max deal itong napirmahan ni Juan Gomez de Leaño, reportedly worth 420,000 a month kasi yan po yung max deal for a rookie na in the top 3 sa draft no. And yun nga, reportedly according to sources, a max deal yung pinirma ni Juan Gomez de Leaño, and that's for 3 years. And then also signing sa kanyang kupunan si Dalf Panopio, 3-year contract naman with Blackwater Bossing, the number 3 pick naman sa PBA 50th season draft no. So 2 of the top 3 picks no sa season 50 draft ay nakapirma na sa kanilang kupunan. Kung magtatanong kayo, kumusta na si Jeo Chu, the number 1 pick in the season 50 draft, hindi pa siya nakakapirma sa Terra Firma dahil under contract pa siya with the Abra Weavers sa MPBL. So I believe yung kontrata niya is until the end of the year no, until December. So because of that ay mukhang hindi pa makakalaro itong si Jeo Chu sa Terra Firma for the first few months no, hindi siya makakalaro, and he will only play for Terra Firma after matapos yung kanyang kontrata with the Abra Weavers. So ito naman, pakinggan naman natin yung mga statement ni Pampanga Vice Governor Dennis Delta Pineda na ngayon ay tumatayo na bilang head coach ng Converge. Pakinggan natin yung kanyang masasabi with regards to the drafting of Juan Gomez de Leaño na nakuha nila no. Yung draft right na yon at number 2 nakuha nila in a trade with Phoenix Fuel Masters prior to draft day. At dahil nga sa trade na yon, sila ang naging number 2, at dahil nga rin dyan, nakuha nila itong si Juan Gomez de Leaño. Pakinggan natin yung interview natin with Pampanga Vice Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, now the Converge head coach.
Pick namin na malaking tulong po yung para sa Converge, at alam naman natin ng experience ni Juan. Talagang international na po yung mga games na nalaruan niya, international league. So it will be a big help sa mga Converge kasi alam niyo naman puro bata yung amin, so makaka-add ng experience tong bata na to.
Nag-make kayo ng trade, talagang kinuha niyo yung number 2, talagang si Juan talaga po ba?
Talagang si Juan po yung target namin talaga, kaya nakiusap po kami para sa trade ng...
Alright, nung nakausap din natin yung kapatid ni Juan Gomez de Leaño na si Javi Gomez de Leaño, at meron din siyang masasabi sa pagkuha ng Converge kay Juan Gomez de Leaño, kanyang nakababatang kapatid. Pakinggan natin si Javi naman.
As much as we wanted to be teammates, I'm happy for him. He's in a good position with Gov Delta and Jacob, Boss Jacob. We all thought he was going number 1, but I guess better situation yung number 2 for him. Converge is in a win now mode, and they got the complete tools now, especially with one on board with the team. Remember, it's gonna be really scary this year, and we can't wait to play each other.
Alright, yun nga yung sabi ni Javi no, na excited siyang makaharap din si Juan, and he looks forward to facing him. And sabi nga niya, itong Converge naman with Juan around, they're going to be real scary, sabi nga ni Javi no. And then ngayon naman sa Blackwater side naman, pakinggan naman natin yung masasabi ni Coach Jeff Carriazo about their pickup naman
As much as
with Dalf Panopio.
like him from day one. We like the fact that he can be a combo guard, play 1 and 2. Feeling naman with the guards that we have now, he can easily gel with any of our current guards. Pwede siya maging 1, pwede siya maging 2. So just being able to have that luxury for him to play both ways, I think it's a positive for us. Okay.
That was Coach Jeff Carriazo ng Blackwater. Sabi naman niya he looks forward to coaching Dal Panopio and excited to see him play, especially yung kanyang versatility in being a combo guard. And very exciting tong Blackwater, no? And we look forward to seeing him, Dalf Panopio, with Cedric Bearfield and Christian David, no? So yung kanong team up, no, yung trio nila sa Blackwater looks like isa to sa malalakas na Blackwater teams na makikita natin in history, itong with Panopio around along with Cedric Bearfield and itong si Christian David. So yan po ang latest. Again, yung mga rookie signings, Juan Gomez Del Llano and Dalf Panopio signing with their respective teams. And again, thank you for watching our video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.